What's going on, guys? So we're gonna be going down on our beach walk today. So we're just starting our beach walk. We're gonna walk all the way around the corner down there, walk the whole thing, and then walk back. That's the pier right there. So we'll keep doing updates as we go along. Little update here. So we just walked to the sign. From this point on, you're leaving the supervision of the hotel area. So we're gonna keep going. There's still a security. It should be fine. I've already known of 6 or 7 people who've gone down this way. So, and they all said they haven't got haggled or hassled too bad. Just don't make eye contact. Stick to your own. There's only maybe one other dock where there could be people, but there is security like there, right there. So those are 2 security guards just talking right now, and they're pretty much all the way along, the whole way down. So yeah, you're pretty well good and taken care of. There are some obstacles you got to go around like that. But then it opens back up, and if you didn't know, the sand here is pretty much like, I wouldn't say flour, but it's pretty high quality. It's pretty good stuff. Like, it's not really corally or hard, it's pretty soft. So stay tuned, we'll keep going through some cool stuff. Little update, we're now just passing our second security guard, so you are definitely safe on the way down here. There's actually a sea turtle right there. There's multiple sea turtles. We've probably seen over 30 since we got here. We've seen sea turtles, sharks, stingrays, manta rays, obviously fish, multiple different sizes too, like some small ones, some big ones. Let's see if one of these little sea turtles pop up. They're not the biggest. They're like maybe 3 feet across. They're not leatherbacks. They're just normal. I don't know if they're greens or what are they. But let's see if they pop back up. So I'm gonna keep trying to get footage of these sea turtles, but they literally pop up and they go back down like little groundhogs. And since it's sand here, it's not really coral. It gets stirred up consistently, so the water quality or clarity right here, like in this right exact spot, there's another one just popped up, isn't the greatest. So we're actually in a spot where there's a little bit of seaweed or something like that right here. The whole beach is either sand or seaweed, and it goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. But the sea turtles are normally in the more blacker spots. If you see those black spots on my drone footage, yeah, those are those are exactly what I was talking about. But yeah, if one pops up, I'll probably have to get it with my iPhone, so I can zoom in. Right now I'm just shooting with a GoPro, so stay tuned. If one pops up, I'll let you guys know. So those turtles were almost impossible to film from shore with a camera. I tried zooming in with my iPhone, and I tried using the GoPro, I tried going in. Almost impossible. I guess with snorkeling gear it'd be pretty easy, but so I just took my drone and I flew it over top, got some amazing shots. Flew it around here. There's a couple boats, I'll add that in, and then yeah, there's the dolphin cages. There's I think 3 or 4 of them. I don't really agree to it, but you know, I just flew the drone over it, take some quick shots, videos, and see what these dolphins are being captive in. So yeah, see that in the video too. We're just gonna keep walking, keep trucking all the way down here. Stay tuned. The first obstacle we came along, look at this. It's not too hard to get around, I'd say. You limbo under it. Ugh. Pretty easy to get around, not too hard. So we just went around this little excursion place. Now we keep going, see how this goes. Those little birds. We're almost at the corner now, so looks pretty murky here, probably because of the sand. When it gets stirred up right at the shore from the waves. But this is where all the party boats come. Every single party boat comes here. And this is the sort of cove, I would say. Protected cove from the elements, so. Let's keep going down to the corner down there. See how it goes. So we're at a bit of a dilemma right now. To get to that point, which is over there, the original point that I wanted to, you actually have to go through this little bit of a current area where it flows in and flows out. I think it goes to the natural lagoon back there. So it actually is quite deep here. It looks like it's like at least minimum 3-4 feet deep. And you know, with lagoons, the color that's coming out is pretty stained. So I don't know if you've seen the drone footage, but this whole bay is a little bit stained. So it's unfortunate, but not really risking going across into this area when it's looking a little bit deeper than I really want to be without clear water. Just probably not the smartest idea. I know there's stingrays, obviously, you see in the video, but there's also sharks. Not really worried about the shark, but that's the water they would like to feed in. I don't think it's deep enough for them anyways, but yeah, stay tuned, and maybe I'll see if I can get across somehow. Maybe I'll go farther. I'm good, brother. Thank you. Every Dominican we've met on the beach, some are a little bit pushier than others, but most of them are actually half decent. A guy just asked me if I wanted to go down to the natural pool, which is about right there, which is pretty much, honestly, I wouldn't say a waste of time, but it's the whole ocean's a natural pool. Yeah, we're just gonna keep trucking back to the resort, sit down, have a couple drinks, and relax. Finally, we've seen a stingray, and I got it on camera. Right here we go. Right there in the water. Oh, how cool is that? Hopefully it worked out pretty good. The craziest thing, along the same stretch as where all the sea turtles are, there's a bunch of stingrays now. It's late afternoon. They're just in the water, and they're not little, let's just say that. Video is crazy perception, but they do stay away. Like, I didn't get to put the drone or the camera under the water there, and it was already gone, so they're pretty freaked out of humans. I wouldn't be too worried about them. But one did take the crocodile hunter down, so stay tuned. Hopefully we'll see some more cool stuff. We're back at the main beach now. There's the pier right there. All the water activities, diving sports, everything's right here. So we'll keep you in tune and keep you up to date with more content like this.